We're riding together, so whoever, we don't care.
Okay. One of you gets in the back and scoots all the way back.
Okay.
And then he'll ride in between you.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay, that's fun.
Raven, leave her alone. Raven! That doesn't normally happen. My lead dog decided not to be running today.
You warm enough? Yeah. You can pull that blanket up if you want.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I could feel like a little breeze.
Like a little breeze?
Yeah, like it feels good.
Where are y'all from?
Just north of Denver,
Oh, cool.
Thornton. I'll drive. What's that?
Just stand on that runner with both of your feet right there. And then like that. And then we'll have to like lean and stuff.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to lean and which way to lean. Children. Be nice to each other. Come on, children, hike. Come on, children, hike. Hold on tight, buddy. We're gonna go around some curves. Breeze, ha! Breeze, ha! Good dogs.
Hi, Raven.
Hi, good girl.
Hi.
Oh, in this town, all of these buildings were built in like the 1800s.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And in the winter, there is residents. The residents in this town are 3.
Really?
Yeah, 3 people live up here in the winter. And that is it.
Wow. How did the dogs know where we were going?
They're just that smart and they know this trail already.
Okay.
Breeze, G. She, the other day she tried to turn left there. Let's just go up to Mirror Lake, add an extra 20 miles to the trip. What Breeze wanted to do.
So there's 3 people here right now?
Uh-huh. In this town there. And a whole bunch of sled dogs. Good job holding on, buddy.
Look at that car,
That
Mace.
is a sheriff's car.
It's
It's,
covered. No.
Yeah.
It's currently not being used. Is there in the back that's almost completely buried? She's trying to be a therapy dog.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not worried. Oh,
She just went around.
in the deep snow. Actually getting a workout. Uh-oh.
Hi, Jose. Hi, Bugsy.
Hey, Pup.
Hi, Lily.
Oh, hi, Lily.
There goes Lily.
Come on, Lily. Come on. Woohoo! Oh, there we go.
Fish side.
Looks a little tired.
Mason, you know where we're going?
No.
Oh, man.
Do you know where we're going?
No. I'm not driving, though.
Here. We're going back to the car.
What?
That changes, bro.
Make sure you smile, Mace.
Yeah, she was definitely taking a picture of us.
Yep.
Or he.
We're gonna get another one.
You were taking a picture because I saw her picture.
Same group, huh? That's the same group, huh?
Those things are smelly.
Yeah.
I forgot to say hello.
Really?
Hey, Lily.
Oh, here comes the other door, too. Other side.
Thank you. Freeze. Ha!
We almost went there.
Yeah.
We're there. Over there.
We made it.
All the way to No